What's that racket of change?
Now, first of all, I am going to change into those hats. Besides, I am going to costumes. Don't touch the music box. You know what? I am going to change into those hats.